Hey guys, welcome to a showcase video today, and this is something that I've been wanting to feature for ages, but it's just getting around to doing a lot of the things. It's something that I'd seen originally, I think on Reddit, on one of their gaming things, and Unity have shared this themselves. So if you've not exactly seen it, it's somebody called Makans. I hope I've pronounced his name right. I'll share the links to his Twitter in the description, and you can check out the article and the questions that he was asked by the website 80 Level, and they do sort of game related stuff. But you can see in the background he's got something where he created almost boss animations and a procedural animation system within Unity to create a sort of look of a boss battle and be able to create that look of scale and sheer size of the bosses, very much reminiscent of popular games and things that you see in Disney. But I think it's really awesome, and you should check his stuff out and follow him on the social media. I think everybody deserves to see it. So I'll leave everybody to watch some of the bits and see you soon.